Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Hannah. In my channels, I usually talk about Excel's tricks and pretty much formulas and how you can use in your daily professional role. Um, Today, we are going to talk about the upper, lower, and proper, also trim uh, files. Let's say yes, you guys can see I have people's name here, and then I will walk you through it how you can edit it in the way you would like to see. Let's if you have a list of name just for this purpose. This is only a first name, but I don't have a last name with it. But I'm just gonna use concatenate. That way I could just add those two as a first and last name. Okay. uh, I did talk about the concatenate on my previous video, so you can go back and watch those. Okay. So I'm just let me add space here. So I'm gonna do two space. That way I want it to be, oops, I forgot to add a comma here. So I'm just, merging those A1 and B1 together so I can use it as first and last name. Okay, just for this purpose. Okay, so using uppercase means equal sign, upper, okay, and then close. That means it's gonna make all your the name all caps. Okay, that's what uppercase means. Using a lowercase. Well, let me just use this one. Lowercase means it's gonna make all the name the to all lowercase. Okay, and using a proper. Okay, using proper, that means the first and last name, the first letter of the first name and the first letter of the last name, which is in this case R and P, will be caps, and all the others will be small, which is normally how we write in a name. Okay, so that's the way. This is one of the way how you can just edit and use the format, managing the list of names. One of the comment I would like to talk about is trim. Okay, trim means especially if you are using a VLOOKUP, which I have a video there. I'll try to uh, put those videos to this video so you guys can go and click them. Uh, I did talk about how to do a VLOOKUP. So when you are doing a VLOOKUP, as you guys can see, there's two space in here. So it might not gonna match from your current list. So I'm using a trim. Trim will help me to delete one of the space. Okay, you see that there is two space here, and now it takes one of that extra space. That way you can able to manage it this way. Alright guys, hopefully this quick video help you how to manage your list of names by using upper, lower, and proper, and also trim. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.